If you are a busy mom, pressed for time, just like I am, but you still want to make great food to feed your family, this grilled elote salad recipe is a great side dish for 3 reasons. We get to cook the corn on the grill alongside our main dish. It's super easy to serve and easy to eat because we're taking it off the cob, and the flavors from the dressing are bright, delicious, tangy. It's packed with flavor. So step number 1 is going to be to preheat our grill. So it's time to wake up, grill. So we're going to start at 400 degrees because we're going to do some pollo asado and some carne asada on the grill while we're doing our corn. While the grill is preheating, getting nice and hot for us, we're going to get the corn ready. So after it's clean, we're going to drizzle it with some cooking oil. I'm using avocado oil, but you can use whatever kind you want. This is a judgment-free zone. It's going to be nice, whatever you want to use on your grill. But a little avocado oil, some salt, and some pepper. All right, we can get everything in there and cooking with the lid closed. So this carne asada I actually made in my last video. Check it out if you want the freezer-friendly carne asada marinade. So the corn is going to cook on the grill grates for 10 to 15 minutes with the lid closed. We're going to go ahead and rotate that once during the cooking process. While our corn and our protein is out there cooking on the grill, we're going to put together all of the other ingredients for the corn salad. If you would like the recipe, you can click the link down in the description below. Head over to fancyaproncooking.com. It's a printable recipe. You can take the items, the ingredients from there and put them straight in your grocery order, or you just add them to the list. But let's get this ready. You'll need 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of red onion minced as finely as you possibly can. Then we're going to add the zest and the juice from 1 lime. Next, we're going to do a tablespoon of chopped cilantro. I love it, but it is optional. You can do parsley instead, or you can leave it out, but I think the flavor is great. We're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder. For the creamy part of the dressing, we're going to add 1/2 cup of Mexican crema. And we're going to give that a stir. I almost forgot. Season it with salt. It's that time. Nice. Got a little bit of color. It's going to be good. After you take all the corn off the grill and give it a second to cool off so you can handle it, you're just going to use a sharp knife to remove all those kernels, and then we're going to get all of that into the dressing so we can stir it around. So we're going to do a little cotija cheese. This is probably my favorite part. We're going to fold some in so it's actually running throughout the salad, and then the rest we're going to put a little bit more on top so it looks nice. I'm going to do a little sprinkle of cilantro, still optional, a couple lime wedges to bring it all together. I feel like when you use a garnish, it makes it look like you have your stuff together, and that's what we're going for. I do think I need just a little more crema. Let's put everything together, get eaten. All right, so I am going to transfer this to a serving bowl just so that it doesn't look like this, but obviously if I was cooking this just for my family, I'd serve it right out of here. Before we do that, we're going to check the seasoning to see if it needs any more salt. Nope, I did a good job. So to finish it off, we're going to sprinkle the top with a little cotija, a little cilantro, a couple lime wedges for a garnish if I'm serving this for a party. But that's it, you guys. Enjoy.